Common problems with Rheem AC units include weak airflow, no cooling, strange noises, and error codes. These issues can often be resolved with a simple reset. A reset can often resolve these minor glitches and restore normal operation. Remember, a reset is different from a repair and should only be attempted for troubleshooting before calling a professional. Before resetting your Rheem AC unit, prioritize safety by turning off all power sources to prevent electrical shock. First, locate the disconnect switch near your outdoor AC unit. It's usually a red box mounted on the wall. Open the disconnect box and flip the switch to the off position. Next, go to your home's breaker box and find the breaker labeled for your AC unit. Flip the AC breaker switch to the off position. Start by locating your home's electrical breaker panel, typically found in the garage, basement, or utility room. Once you find the panel, open it to see the breakers inside. Look for the circuit directory or labels that identify which breaker controls your AC unit. Identify the correct breaker for your AC unit. Using the close-up view, flip the breaker switch to the off position to cut power completely. After turning the breaker off, wait for 30 seconds to ensure the unit fully powers down and any residual charge dissipates. Finally, flip the breaker back to the on position to restore power. This hard reset should restart your AC unit. Some Rheem AC units feature a dedicated reset button located on the control panel inside the outdoor unit. This button provides a direct way to reset the system when needed. To access the reset button, open the outdoor unit's access panel to reveal the control panel. Look for a small button, often labeled Reset or marked with a symbol, typically positioned near the electrical connections or gas valve. Once located, press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. You may hear a click or see indicator lights change as the system resets. Release the button after the hold time. Different Rheem systems may use various thermostat types, including digital models like these Rheem and Rude thermostats, or modern smart thermostats with programmable features. Sometimes the problem may be with the thermostat itself, such as incorrect settings, communication errors with the AC unit, or software glitches that prevent proper operation. For the power reset method, locate the thermostat's power switch or unplug it if it's a wired model, wait 30 seconds, then restore power to reset the device. If your thermostat has a menu system, navigate to the Settings or Advanced Options and look for a Reset or Factory Reset function to clear any software issues. After performing any reset method, it's crucial to wait 5 to 10 minutes before turning the AC back on. This waiting period allows the system's electrical components to fully discharge and reset, preventing potential damage from immediate reactivation. Once the waiting period is complete, locate the breaker box and turn the main disconnect switch back to the on position. This restores power to the entire AC system. Finally, go to your thermostat and turn it back on. Set it to your desired cooling temperature, typically between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, to resume normal AC operation. After resetting your Rheem AC, check if it's working normally. Look for cool air coming from the vents and consistent temperature control. If the AC still doesn't turn on or produce cool air after the reset, there may be an underlying issue. This could indicate a problem with the unit itself. If the same error code appears on your thermostat or remote after resetting, the problem persists and needs further investigation. When reset methods don't resolve the issue, it's time to call a professional HVAC technician. They have the tools and expertise to diagnose and fix complex problems. Resetting your Rheem AC is only a temporary solution for minor issues. It won't fix underlying problems. If you see physical damage like leaks, corrosion, or electrical issues, don't attempt fixes yourself. When the problem persists after reset or you notice these signs, contact a qualified HVAC technician immediately. Always prioritize your safety and the proper functioning of your AC system. Professional diagnosis and repair are essential for serious issues.